Yan, ang ating almusan guys. Happy, umunang daw ti June. Happy morning everyone. June 1. Everyone is June 1. So, try natin. Painit natin guys. Ang ating donatok. Tsaka yan, paterno niya, mag-init tayo ng barako kape. Yan guys, iluto natin, i-reheat natin yung ating donatok. At yan ang ating almusal.